Welcome back guys. In previous videos we have talked about preprocessors, we have talked about main function, and also we have discussed about header files. So in this video we will write our first C++ program, and let's get started. So I have opened my Clion software, and okay, so here I have opened my Clion softwares, and let's make a new project. So go to file and new project. So here I am creating my new project, and the name of the project is CPP tutorials, and click create. I have used C++ version 14 here, and here you select C++ executable, click on create. Okay, so our project has been set up. Here it is a main file, main.cpp. So this is our main file which has been executed by our project. Fine. So what we will do, first we will include our header file using include preprocessor and then angular bracket. Between the angular bracket we will write the name of the header file, which is iostream here, and iostream is used for, so this file is used for basic input and output operations. Fine. And in next line we will use our namespace, which is std namespace. So write using namespace and then std, name of the namespace, and then we will write our main function. So first we will write the return type of the function, so which is int here, int, and then the name of the function, which is main, then the round bracket parenthesis, and then we will write the body of the main function. Fine. Okay, let's see the program is running or not. So here at top right corner there is a button, run button, and so in order to run the program just click on this button. So let's see. Okay, the program has been run successfully. Here we can see that process finished with exit code 0. So what is 0 here? So in our previous video we have talked about the return type of the main function. So here is a return type, and we have talked about the return statement here. So in return statement, basically main function return the value 0, and this 0 is shown here. Fine. So if you don't write this line, it will absolutely fine, because our compiler automatically write this line. When compiler compile the program, it automatically write this line in our program and execute it. So if I run the program now after writing this line, so there is no change in output. So our output would be same. So now let's talk about cout. So what is cout basically? So cout is a object which is used to write, which is used to print messages on the screen. So this is our screen, this is our main screen here, and if you want to write some messages here, so you have to use cout. So cout is come from basically from iostream file. So in order to use cout, you have to include this iostream header file in your program. So, and this two angular bracket is the operator, which is a simple output operator, output stream operator. It is used for printing the messages on the screen. So use the cout here, then two angular bracket, open brackets, and then write the message which you want to uh, print. So I have write the hello world here, hello world. Okay, and then semicolon. At the end of every statement you have to write the semicolon, and so here we have write semicolon, and also here also we have write the semicolon. Fine, now let's run the program. Alright, so our program has been run, and here you can see that hello world has been written by our program. Fine. So by this cout object you can print any message on your screen. So if I print the name, and yes, one more thing, you have to write the message between the double inverted commas. Basically it is a string. So we will talk about strings and other data types in next video. As for now, you just need to know that you have to write the message, your message, in double inverted comma. So what we can do, we write uh, the name. Okay, the name of our channel. So code easy. Welcome to code easy. Fine. Welcome to code easy. Okay. Put the semicolon and let's run the program. Okay, so here you can see welcome to code easy has been printed. So you can print the message, any message, by this. So, and one more thing, if you want to print another message here, let's create cout and let's print another message. So this is another line, ANOTHER, another line. Now let's run the program. So here you can see the first line has been print welcome to code easy, and the second line is not printing in the next line. Oh, okay, so this second line has printed in the same line. If you want to print this line in next line, in another line, so you have to use ENDL. What is ENDL here? So ENDL means end line. End line is a variable, a constant variable of iostream file. So in order to use ENDL, you have to include this iostream file. So we have already include this file. So use ENDL here, and now run the program. Okay, so welcome to code easy is written in one line, and this is another line has been written in next line. So what we have done here, we just write the message, then print the new line, or we can say create a new line with ENDL, and then print the another line here. Fine. So if you want to write another line, you have to use ENDL, or you can also use escape characters, which is /n here. And what we can do, this is third, third line, fine, and put the semicolon, run the program. So the expected output would be this is in first line, and both these line are in second line because there is no ENDL here between these two lines. So these two line are these two line would be printed in same line, in same one line, fine. So let's check the output. Okay, the output would be same as I expected. So the welcome to code is in one line and last two line one line, fine. So if you want to add the new line, you can use ENDL or you can use escape character. So here escape character, so escape character for new line is /n. So just write /n between the double inverted commas and save and hit enter. Okay, now the all three lines become separated. So here is first line, here is second line, and here is third line, fine. So this is all about our end L and escape characters, and we have also talked about cout object, what is cout and how can we use cout. And here it is a operator which is output operator. It is used for output purpose, used for printing messages. So that's all for this video. In next video we will talk about data types and variables. Thank you so much.